Don't hold your breath too long. You're gonna turn purple. You're turning purple, Violet. You're Violet. You're Violet. You're Violet.
No! You didn't let me hold it long enough. You could always try mushy peas.
Apparently, laying in bed till 3 p.m. means I can do the elliptical pretty easily. It's going pretty well.
Good job, baby.
Thanks.
Did you say good morning?
No, not yet.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. I probably can't sing while I'm doing this. I'll get out of breath.
Keep going, you're good. So I went to a memorial service this morning for a friend of ours, and it was really, really sweet time of celebrating and remembering his life. And Mary and Ollie stayed here. She was gonna try to come, but when we got up this morning, it was, obviously since she stayed in bed till 3:30, it was a good thing that she did, and your body needed that. So I went on behalf of us, and it was good to see the family and our many sweet friends. So that was a good bittersweet morning, and now we're home, and Mary is working out, and I'm just cleaning things up a little bit.
Getting ready to send this off, so I'm just gonna sign it, and then it will be ready. Ta-da! Ready to go.
Mary's painting again.
Someone was asking what brand of paper and paint to use. Well, first of all, I can't say in my professional opinion because I am in no way a professional. In my very beginning opinion, these are the paints I use, Winsor and Newton.
There it is.
And the paint, or the paper, I mean, there's different ones at the craft store when you go, and I just get the, what is it, 140 pound? I don't remember. I don't know. Just when you go to the craft store, look for watercolor paper. I'm so helpful.
Awesome. Do you know what you're painting yet?
Not yet.
Getting some inspiration from your wash?
Yes.
We'll see what she makes. A little puppy dog.
He's so cute.
Getting out of the house. Getting out of the house. We're gonna go to Target, and they're gonna walk around and look at all the stuff, and I'm gonna sit in the Starbucks area and do some work. This is how Ollie goes up the stairs with the harness.
We're gonna go to Target? Yeah. You're laying so pretty. You're laying so pretty. What do you think, Ollie? Do you think that you and I should go to Target and Peter should stay in Starbucks and study? We just met Peter over here. It's in Target, but he's in Starbucks studying. And I was looking for something for Peter for his birthday.
Oh, really?
But I didn't invite anything, sorry.
I heard that.
Sorry.
My birthday's in 3 days. Wait, 4 days. 4 days.
Don't hold your breath too long. You're gonna turn purple. You're turning purple, Violet. You're Violet. You're Violet. You're Violet.
No! You didn't let me hold it long enough.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, cha-cha-cha. Nah.
Oh, man, I got the hiccups, guys. We're on our way home. We went to Target, and I read while Mary and Ollie shopped, and then we went to Marshall's real quick before they closed. Now we're going home, and I'm trying to get rid of my hiccups.
So let's talk about ways to get rid of hiccups. I've heard you can... What? It didn't work. Oh. I've heard you can eat peanut butter, you can drink water from a glass upside down, you can hold your breath, you can scare someone. What else? Maybe if you stand on your hands? Maybe... P.S. This is the chipmunk portion of the day. What do you think? Tell me all the ways you can think of while talking.
Hey guys, so we are getting ready for bed. Mary just did PT and stuff. But I realized I forgot to show you the finished product of Mary's, let me get the lights on, Mary's painting. I just love it. It's so cute. Check it out. Oh yeah. Look at it. Very cool. Everybody say good job, Mary, in the comments. And everybody's falling asleep. Ollie is sleeping.
It's kinder time.
Oh, it's kinder time. Y'all ready for this? Here we go.
Car.
You think?
I think so.
You are so right.
Oh, wow. I know my kid.
Look at that.
Oh, it's a good one.
Is that a new one?
I don't know. It's one of the fling-offy ones.
Fling offy one.
Hi, Ollie. Good night. That's a cool one.
Yeah. I think this is new. Totally is. Alright, we'll put this together. Wow. Oh yeah, here's the base. So it connects up with the rubber band and the base, and then you can launch it. See how this works on a blanket. Oh yeah, that worked. That was
A
awesome.
little recoil back there.
Oh yeah?
Is that what that's called?
Recoil?
When it shoots back?
Yeah. Nice. Well, thanks for coming along on our day today.
Stickers for the car.
Nice.
Yep.
As always, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.